Now, the Seventh-day Adventist Church also has the message, do not accept the mark of the beast. Sabbath is the day of the Lord. Worship him who made the heavens, the earth, the sea, and the springs of water. Papacy comes and says, no, you must listen to me. I'll tell you when to worship. You'll worship on the first day of the week, because I am the authority in your life. And so the papacy, on May 7, 1998, issued this famous apostolic letter, Dies Domini, of the Holy Father, John Paul, where he asks for Sunday legislation. Sunday, the primordial feast revealing the meaning of time, the spiritual and pastoral riches of Sunday as it has been handed on to us by tradition are truly great. Well, at least he admits it's not from the Bible, right? Significantly, the Catechism of the Catholic Church teaches that the Sunday celebration of the Lord's Day and his Eucharist is at the heart of the Church's life. And then he explains who you worship on Sunday. This is his document. This is Pope John Paul's encyclical. As they listen to the word proclaimed on the Sunday assembly, the faithful look to whom? To Mary. Now, what did Blavatsky say? Who's Mary? She says Mary is really anthropomorphized Isis and is really Lucifer. That's what Blavatsky said. We did that in a previous lecture. So they look to the Virgin Mary, learning from her to keep it and ponder it in their hearts. With Mary, they learn to stand at the foot of the cross, offering the Father, etc., etc. With Mary, they experience the joy of the resurrection, and so he goes on and on and on and on and on. His mercy is from age to age, from Sunday to Sunday. The pilgrim people follow in the footsteps of Mary. Now, if you do not understand occult language, then this doesn't mean much, but if you know that to them, this Mary figure is really a form of the great luminary, who can be both male or female, then this is serious business, because I would like to follow the Lord Jesus Christ when I go to worship him. And according to this is not what happens on a Sunday. Now, if you obey the papacy in this decree that he's asking for here, then who are you worshiping? God or this one? Obviously this one.